Have you ever listened to a song that instantly changed your mood? Maybe a sad song made you emotional, or a powerful anthem gave you goosebumps. That's not just coincidence. That's your subconscious mind reacting to music and frequencies. Today, I'll show you how sound isn't just entertainment. It's actually one of the most powerful tools to reprogram your thoughts and emotions. So let's start with the science. Our brain communicates through electrical signals called brainwaves, like alpha, beta, theta, and delta waves. Now here's the interesting part. Music and sound frequencies can directly influence these brainwaves. For example, when you listen to fast-paced music, your brain becomes more alert and active. That's why upbeat songs like Eye of the Tiger instantly pump you up. On the other hand, slower frequencies calm the nervous system. That's why meditation music feels so relaxing. In fact, scientists found that certain frequencies, like 432 Hz and 528 Hz, have a healing effect on the body. They reduce stress, lower anxiety, and even improve focus. That means every time you play the right kind of music, you're literally rewiring your subconscious mind without even realizing it. Different sound frequencies have the power to heal our mind and body. For example, 528 Hz is called the love frequency because it reduces stress and brings inner peace. Similarly, 432 Hz is known for its natural harmony with the universe, making us feel calmer and more centered. And here's the interesting part. You don't need to listen to just plain tones. Even some Hollywood songs are tuned to these frequencies. For example, John Lennon's Imagine in 432 Hz creates deep relaxation, while Michael Jackson's Heal the World in 528 Hz uplifts your emotions. Songs like the Beatles' Let It Be, 432 Hz, or Coldplay's Fix You, 528 Hz, also exist in these healing versions. So you can enjoy your favorite music while still benefiting from the subconscious healing power of frequencies. Next time, instead of just playing random tracks, try searching 432 Hz or 528 Hz version of your favorite songs on YouTube or Spotify. You'll notice the difference in how your mind feels lighter and calmer. Now let's talk about how you can actually use music and frequencies in your daily routine. Because theory is good, but practice makes the real change. For example, in the morning, instead of starting your day with loud, stressful songs, try listening to a 432 Hz calming instrumental, or even a soft track like Coldplay's Strawberry Swing tuned to 432 Hz. It helps set a positive tone for the day. During work or study hours, you can play focused music at 528 Hz in the background. Many people also listen to lo-fi mixes in 432 Hz on YouTube. This keeps your mind active but relaxed, preventing overthinking. And at night, when you want to relax before sleep, go for a 528 Hz meditation track, or even Heal the World, 528 Hz version by Michael Jackson. These frequencies calm your nervous system and prepare your subconscious mind for deep, healing rest. So the idea is simple. Don't think of this as something extra or complicated. Just replace your regular playlist with 432 Hz or 528 Hz versions of your favorite songs, or add a few healing frequency tracks into your daily routine. Over time, you'll feel the difference. Your mood improves, your sleep gets better, and your subconscious feels lighter. Let me give you a real-life example. Imagine you've had a stressful day at work. Deadlines, traffic, maybe even arguments. You get home, put on your headphones, and play something like Coldplay's Fix You or Hans Zimmer's Interstellar soundtrack. Within minutes, your heartbeat slows down, your mind shifts, and suddenly you feel lighter. This isn't just mood change. Your subconscious mind is receiving signals through the frequency of that music. Just like how gym goers use fast beats to push harder, people use calming frequencies to meditate or even sleep better. I've personally tried listening to 528 Hz solfeggio tones before sleep, and it actually helped me clear my mind from overthinking. That's the real power of sound. What's fascinating is that this isn't new. Ancient cultures already knew this secret thousands of years ago. The Indian Vedas, Tibetan bowls, Gregorian chants, and even church organs. All of them use specific sound patterns to connect with higher consciousness. Today, science is finally catching up. Neuroresearch proves that these sounds affect our brainwaves, our mood, and even our healing process. So when you hear people talk about vibrations and energy, it's not just spiritual talk. It's real science meeting ancient wisdom. So next time you play music, remember, it's not just background noise. It's a tool to reprogram your subconscious mind, shape your emotions, and even change your life. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which song or frequency instantly changes your mood? Share it in the comments. Maybe we'll discover some hidden gems together. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs some healing vibes in their life. Trust me, music might just be the medicine they need.